Welcome my great students, this is me again teacher Bayham. In this video we're gonna learn about adverbs of frequency, always, sometimes and never. So open your book page 46 and follow. So here we have adverbs of frequency, always, sometimes and never. So we use adverbs of frequency to talk about how often things happen. So here I always feel happy when my grandma visits. So here I put always before the verb, before the word feel. Okay, I can't say I feel always happy when my grandma visits. No, I have to put the adverb of frequency before the verb. Okay, number two. She or he sometimes feels tired after gym class. Not always, not every day. So, she or he sometimes feels tired and sometimes doesn't feel tired after gym class. Okay, and we can put the adverb of frequency before the whole sentence. Okay, we say sometimes, but we have to put what? Comma. Okay, sometimes, comma, we buy lunch at school. Okay, here. They never forget her birthday. So they remember her birthday every year. They never forget her birthday. Okay, here we have to read and circle the correct adverb. So always, sometimes, or never. Here we have eat pizza. Okay, so how does he often eat pizza? How often does he eat pizza? So I ask about the adverb of frequency by how often. So he eats pizza Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So what will I say? He always eats pizza, or he sometimes eats pizza, or he never eats pizza. Yes, he always eats pizza. Here we have watch football matches. So how often does he watch football matches? How often does he watch football matches? Look at the days of the week. So, so he never, sometimes, or always. Yes, he never watches football matches. Okay, here. Buy lunch at school. Look at the days. So, does he buy lunch at school every day? No. So, he sometimes buys lunch at school. Here we have Jake, Teddy, and Karen. Okay, always, never, and sometimes. We have here hungry, cold, bored, sleepy, angry, sad, thirsty, cold, and happy. Okay, here we have to complete the conversations. Here, Jake never feels, never. So, where's Jake here? So, Jake never feels. Here we have Jake. Here we have always, never, sometimes. We are looking for what? Never. Cold. So Jake never feels what? Never feels cold. So the question is, how does Jake never feel? How does Jake never feel? So Jake never feels cold. Okay, number two, here's the question, how does Karen always feel? Okay, where's Karen? Here's Karen. Okay, how does Karen always? We're looking for always. Here's Karen and here's always. So, how does Karen always feel? Karen always feels what? Happy. Number three, how does Teddy sometimes feel? How does Teddy sometimes feel? So, we're looking for Teddy. Here's Teddy. Okay, sometimes, where's sometimes? Yes, here's sometimes. Here's Teddy and here's sometimes. Okay, so how does Teddy sometimes feel? Yes, Teddy sometimes feels what? Yes, sad. Teddy sometimes feels sad. And the last one, Karen sometimes. So here's Karen and here's sometimes. So Karen sometimes feels what? Feels thirsty, yes. So the question is, how does Karen sometimes feel? How does Karen sometimes feel? So Karen sometimes feels what?